Okay, now we are going to discuss about MyZone training app. Here I'm going to type MyZone Carmel College in our search engine. Then we can see the website of Carmel College. Then in the third one, in my site, it is in third one, we can see the site training.carmelcollegemana.edu.in. okay, when click on this MyZone site, then the page, the front page is like this: MyZone training, no more. In this right side, we can see the login space. So when we click on it, this is the login place, that is username here and password here. Here I am going to enter with a student user ID, that is like this: I_MA history, that is HIS short form, 2019 _Abhirami 01. okay, password, we all know the password. Then login. When we log in, we first see the dashboard, that is comprised with our 4 course papers, that is core 1, 2 cores and 2 electives. So these are all paper we can see here. And in the right side, we can see the timeline, that is if we have any activities remaining, that we can see in the timeline. There is a quiz that closes in 4 o'clock in 14th August. okay, then when we when we click on one course paper, then we enter into the that paper page, that is perspective on colonialism in India. Here I am selected, and if you have any announcements that are seen in here, and we can see the syllabus here, that when we click it on, then it directly enter to the syllabus, third semester MA history syllabus, and all the 4 modules and its references are seen here. Then it also we can see the description of 4 modules: module 1, module 2, module 3 and module 4, and it with the module title and its subtopics that covers in that module. okay, then we can see the assignment, if there is any assignment here. So that all seen here, that module 1 essay number 1 first assignment, and it is done actually, so that we can see a tick mark here. okay, then next is a quiz that we done it yesterday, and it is a Google form quiz. So this is the link for that quiz, and it is also closed. If you don't attempt that quiz, then there is no tick mark here. okay, so we can confirm it whether it is we attempt it or not, that we understood with this. okay, this box. And if the teacher gave any materials for this module, that we can see in the materials. If the teacher upload the materials, so you can get easily from here, that is the material. There is a one PDF is here that shown here. okay, the next one is the quiz number 2, that is the recent quiz. And here this is the quiz, whether it is open or closed, that is also described here, and the time limit of the quiz is also seen here. So the quiz is open at Thursday 13th August 1:24 p.m. and the quiz closes at Friday 14th August 5 p.m. and the time limit is 45 minutes. Okay, and a summary of your previous attempts are also seen here, if it is finished or not, and we can review it, and the grade is seen here. That is the summary of our attempt. If you wanted to reattempt the quiz, if the teacher allows the students to reattempt the quiz, then you can enter, or otherwise your final submission is the submitted attempt. There is no any other reattempt seen here. So here there is a reattempt option, so we can reattempt. Okay, so there is a message that the quiz has time limit of 45 minutes and time will count from the moment you start your attempt, and you must submit before it expires. That is the message. And if you want start now, are you sure to start? That is the message. If you want to start, then click on start attempt. Okay, then the first question, when you start the quiz, then it directly enter to the first question. That is an essay type question. Okay, that is marked out of 10, and the question is Marxist historiography. And you can see there is the time left, that is 44 minutes and 35 seconds, then 34, 33. Okay, these are the questions. There are only 3 questions here. So first one is here we attempting. So if you wanted to attach a file to this question, so you can upload here. Okay, so that we click on this, the add button, then you can see if upload a file in file picker, we can see an upload a file option, then you can attach it with here. When we select this choose file, it come to our file pages. Okay, in here it is a desktop document downloads. Whether our paper is here, then we can locate that and select that file. If you are in open it with in mobile, then it come to the file manager, and here are there if you enter with the document name, the essay name, saved it with an essay name, so you can easily find out it in it from the documents. In file manager documents, you can enter your file name, then you can select that file and upload it in your page. Okay, I repeat, if you are in mobile, you just enter into the file manager. When you click on the choose file, then enter to the file manager. In that file manager, you go to documents. If this is a document thing, if you saved it as a PDF or a Word document, so you enter that file name and upload that file. Okay, so here I am going to upload a PDF file. Whether you want a PDF file to upload or doc file, that is Word document file, you can upload any of them. Okay, here I am uploading marxistapproach.pdf. Then open. Then here you can see the uploaded file, marxistapproach.pdf, that we can find in the right side of the choose file. So this is our uploaded file, and the author name is also mentioned here, and then finally upload this file. Then this is seen here. When you successfully upload that file, you can see in the file box, you can see this file, Marxist approach. Okay, Then you can enter into the next page for the next question, that is a short note question. This is a short answer text box. If you want it to type here, then you can type here. Here I am just typing colonial historiography only, so otherwise you can text here, or this is a short note question. If you want it to upload it along with the Marxist our essay question, so you can write it after the essay question, then you can upload it with combined. Okay. And the short note question mark is 5. The essay question is 10, and the here it is 5 mark question. So colonial historiography, I just typing it, or otherwise you can upload it with the previous essay question. Okay. Then I completed this question, and the next page, the next question, I am going to next question, that is compare the characteristics of colonial and nationalist historiography. So I just typing colonial and nationalist historiography, and then our question is over. So here the dialog box is finish attempt, then we finish the attempt. So we can see the status of our questions and its attempt. Question number 1, 2, 3, the status is answer is saved here. And if you want it to return, if there any question is by mistake, and we can to correct it, so we can return to attempt, otherwise we can submit all and finish. Okay, the time left is also seen here, 39 minutes and 12 seconds. All the questions are finished, that is this is our question numbers and its status. Then we just click on submit all and finish, and there is another dialog box that is a confirmation message for that once you submit, you will no longer be able to change your answer for this attempt. That is the confirmation page. Submit all and finish, or cancel, or return to attempt. That is the we can see in the confirmation page. Then you can submit and all finish. Okay. This is our the last page that started and completed, time and time taken not yet graded, and this is the Marxist historiography, colonial historiography, and compare and characteristics. Okay, these are the 3 questions. Then finish review. Then we enter into the earlier page. Finished status we can see, not yet graded, review. Okay, this is the quiz attempt. Okay, come into dashboard. Okay, so we've done it. Hope you all know about and understand about the MyZone training site, our site, and the how to attempt in quiz, that also understand in this video, I think. Okay, thank you all.